积极研发创新是企业向前迈进的动能，创新且兼顾实务面，则让企业更加贴近市场。鸿裕机械正是这样的典范，不仅生产全球品质最优异的同向双螺杆压出机，结合姐妹厂盛聚塑胶对复合材料的专业知识与背景，让鸿裕机械比同业更能掌握市场需求，并且率先开发最先进的压出机设备，成为全球双螺杆压出机的优秀厂商。
We are SINO-ALLOY Machinery Incorporated, located in Taoyuan, Taiwan. We've been in business for a little over 20 years. We have a direct affiliate, TaipeiPlas. They are our compounding company. What's nice about having the two companies together is allows us to test all of our machinery and our new developed machines right next door in real-world situations. We've developed some new products recently. We've just been testing our micro-pelletizing system. It's an underwater system. Currently just testing it on our laboratory-sized machine. What's nice about the micro-pellets is it's a lot smaller form factor. Many color master batch companies have to first grind their pellets down and make it into a powder. The micro-pellets being so small, it gets greater dispersion and also eliminates having to grind the pellets down to a powder, which in turn will save money in the long run, save energy. We've also been working on a new PET recycling machine. Normally all of our machines have been co-rotating twin screw intermeshed extruders and accessories. We're now developing a counter-rotating non-intermeshed strictly for PET recycling. It cuts down on the shear stress put on the polymers, as well as helps to maintain a stable IV, intrinsic viscosity. It's nice for companies that do PET recycling because originally they have to pre-dry all of their polymer before running it through the extruder. And this is a dryerless, so it cuts down on a lot of energy. It's less machinery that you need to buy initially, and so in the long run saves you money, which in turn raises your bottom line. Another new process that we've been working on is underwater pelletizing for engineering plastics, such as nylon, PET, LCP, PCs, which originally had to be cut on strand pelletizing. By doing the underwater system, it's more of a maintenance-free, kind of a set it and forget it. Once it's running, you don't have to worry about strands breaking, restarting the process, and you gain a lot more spherical pellet as opposed to the cylindrical pellets that you get from the strand pelletizing. A big advantage of having the two companies, having the compounding company as well as the machinery company, is we can test any of our new products, again, in real-world situations in the compounding side. With formulations, we have a full test laboratory R&D department with 4 of our own machines, 50mm machines. We have injection molding machines so we can actually create test products and then test the outcome, the dispersion, the characteristics of the compounding in our test laboratory. We create turnkey solutions for all parts of the world. We have machines in Europe, in Poland, Turkey, Brazil, Mexico, Canada, Indonesia, Malaysia, Japan, China, domestically in Taiwan. We're also running on ISO 9001, and we just earlier this year got all of our machines CE approved, so we're in Europe with no problem. We can test their formulation, change the different screw configurations, and ensure to them that our machinery can handle the product that they're looking for, and then we can test it in our laboratory up on the 3rd floor.
做机器最重要的还是要懂塑胶。你不懂塑胶，你做不出好机器。机械的部门我分了2个，一个是 process， 就是制程方面；一个是在单机整条生产线 turnkey 的生产线。它只要能够告诉我说它要做什么机器、什么材料，我就可以配整套的给他。就在 process 塑胶机械厂，它可能只有做主机，或者可能它只有做副机。 但是我们公司有2个部门，一个专门做 process， 等于是整厂；那另外一个部门在研发，在做一些副机、单机方面，像智力啦、进料啦这些。那我们同时也开发一些比较特殊的，这个微切粒，还有我们的 PET废料回收。那我们也做一些 水工智力 engineer plastic， 那个都是不是非常好做的。微切粒它的确不好做，因为你要切那么细，0.几个 mm 的一个粒子，差不多0.3、0.5、0.8哦，1 mm 以下就算到微切粒。再像 PET 啦、莱龙啦、PE 啦、PP 的这些都没有什么问题啊。那水中智力，比方说公共塑胶，像 LCP 那么不好切了 ，PPE 不好切了，我们现在都已经突破这个技术，都可以切了，都可以做出来。你只有做传统的 compounding、general purpose 的 compounding， 那这方面的话，你跟人家拼已经拼不够了哈。那我们就必须要做一些比较新的，比方说，我们把生物，把一般的类似像 starch 啊什么结合传统的塑料啊这些东西的新的一种创新的发展、新的应用，那这些我们都在做。塑胶你要发展一种新的材料，不是那么简单哦。假如说把2种或2种以上的塑胶混在一起，利用它的特性，做出新的一个应用、新的材料出来，这个比较简单。那这个都是要时间、要智慧、要知识，这样你才有利基，才能国外来竞争。客人他能够相信我们啊，10几20多年来。几乎没有说什么错过什么任何的问题，我们在这方面大概是应该都准备很充裕了。